Here's a few steps to easily create a spot color for white, gloss, or metallic ink using Adobe Photoshop. After selecting the desired area of your graphic or image, go to Channels. Open the menu panel, then choose New Spot Channel. A new channel will be created within your selection. You'll need to name the spot channel according to your desired effect. It's important to name the channel correctly, as seen here. Note that you can choose any color for the selection in Photoshop, as long as the channel is named correctly. Save your file as a high-quality print PDF. Then import your file into Roland VersaWorks or VersaWorks Dual. An easy way to check if your file was imported with the spot color data is to look for the Special Items field in the document information. Choose the appropriate settings for your application, and you're ready to create a stunning print project using white, gloss, or metallic inks. Using this method will give you more flexibility in your workflow and the ability to assign specialty inks in a variety of ways, including masks and gradients.